Are you tired of constantly replacing your Dirt Devil vacuum's adapter? Look no further. Introducing the Power AC adapter, specially designed to meet the power needs of various Dirt Devil models including BD10100, BD20020, BD21005U, BD21005RM, BD21005, and BD21005PC. With its input range of AC 100-240V and output of DC 13.5V, this adapter offers versatile compatibility and ensures optimal performance. Safety is paramount, and the Power AC adapter doesn't disappoint. Crafted from cutting-edge materials and featuring these zero-grade flame retardant properties, along with over-voltage protection, OVP, overcurrent protection, OCP, and short-circuit protection, SCP, this adapter provides peace of mind while in use. It's FCC certified, guaranteeing quality and safety standards. Installation is a breeze with its US standard plug and 6.6 feet long cord, offering flexibility and convenience during use. Plus, with its center positive polarity, compatibility issues are virtually non-existent. And let's not forget about durability. The Power AC adapter boasts a longer lifespan compared to other products on the market, making it a cost-effective choice for Dirt Devil vacuum owners. But what truly sets the Power AC adapter apart is the worry-free experience it offers. With a 30-day hassle-free return policy and a 12-month replacement exchange, you can purchase with confidence, knowing that customer satisfaction is a top priority. Say goodbye to adapter woes and hello to uninterrupted cleaning sessions with the Power AC adapter. Invest in reliability, safety, and peace of mind for your Dirt Devil vacuum today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.